Our next deputant is Varun Virlan. Thank you for joining us, Varun. You have 5 minutes.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Varun Virlan, Digital Media Director and advocate for the Plant-Based Treaty and Animal Save movement. Thank you for the opportunity to speak today. I'm here to highlight the urgent need for the City of Toronto to endorse the Plant-Based Treaty to protect wildlife and biodiversity. Animal agriculture is a significant driver of environmental degradation, responsible for 83% of global farmland use, leading to deforestation and the loss of countless species. This sector contributes to 58% of global food emissions, primarily through methane and nitrous oxide, accelerating climate change and disrupting ecosystems. In Ontario specifically, the environmental impact of animal agriculture is particularly concerning. Dairy farms, for example, are highly water intensive. Research indicates that the average dairy farm uses about 246 liters of water per cow per day, contributing significantly to the province's freshwater consumption. It takes about 1,000 liters of water to produce 1 liter of cow's milk, compared to 48 liters for oat milk and 28 liters for soy milk. Moreover, animal agriculture in Ontario is responsible for substantial nutrient runoff from fertilizers and animal waste, leading to water pollution and the creation of dead zones in our water bodies. Furthermore, animal farming is a major source of greenhouse gas emissions. Methane and nitrous oxide, potent greenhouse gases, are major byproducts of animal farming. Methane emissions come from enteric fermentation in ruminants and manure management, while nitrous oxide is released from soils due to manure and synthetic fertilizer application. The expansion of animal agriculture exacerbates deforestation and land degradation, threatening biodiversity and contributing to climate change. The pressure to convert more land for feed crops and grazing further encroaches on natural habitats, putting numerous species at risk. While we may not raise animals within Toronto's city limits, there is a slaughterhouse on St. Clair and Keele that kills hundreds of cows daily. I've personally borne witness to cows heading to slaughter. This system is detrimental to both animals and the environment. It underscores the pressing need for systemic change in our food systems. While our production-based emissions may be lower, since animals are not raised within Toronto, they're raised on farms in rural Ontario and across Canada, it's crucial to recognize that cities are the primary consumers of those animal products. Therefore, our consumption-based emissions are significantly high. To effectively reduce our environmental impact, we must focus on our consumption footprint. The interconnected crisis of climate change, biodiversity loss, and pollution necessitates systemic change. The Plant-Based Treaty offers a framework for this transition, promoting plant-based food system, halting the expansion of animal agriculture, and restoring key ecosystems. By endorsing the Plant-Based Treaty, Toronto can reduce its ecological footprint, enhance biodiversity, and foster sustainable communities. This aligns with our city's commitment to environmental stewardship and sets a powerful example for other cities to follow. Transitioning to plant-based diets can free vast amounts of land for rewilding, helping to sequester carbon and create habitats for wildlife. It also reduces water uses and pollution, safeguarding our freshwater resources. Toronto has the opportunity to lead in protecting the climate, wildlife, and biodiversity. Endorsing the Plant-Based Treaty is a crucial step towards a sustainable and compassionate future for all of us. Thank you very much.
Thank you for your deputation.